Alright, so we're letting the drone follow us. I set it to rotate as slow as possible so we can get a beautiful view of this mountain in front of us. And Nikki's barking. Say hi, Nick. Woof. Speak. Woof. Let's see if I can. I mean, this is beautiful right here. This is beautiful. We're barely going anywhere. We're at 13 miles per hour, and the drone is just up our butts. And look at that view. That's going to make for a nice video. Shall I lose it? Let's see if we can lose it. And now we're up to 23 miles per hour. Anything over this, 25. And it's pretty much going to say, oh, you win. Bye. Take my hat off here. What a beautiful, beautiful shot this is going to be. I mean, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it's funny, I'm going to shoot in whatever minute already, and I'll use 10 seconds of it because that's who I am. Like yesterday, we kept going, but after these RVs and stuff, it gets really hard. Like bumpy, and this is a road, as far as I'm concerned. This doesn't matter. And we're doing 27, and the drone is falling behind. But it's falling behind in a spectacular way. Let's see if it catches up with us. Now, the road from this view, left to right, is pretty fantastic. I don't know if it's right here, but we're going to turn, I think, and find out. The drone's high enough, it shouldn't hit any of these RVs. I don't see a road. Oh, there it is. Let's see. Let's see if we can get that nice profile shot that I want. Stop recording for a second. And the drone passes us. Cool, that's what I wanted. Thank you. I didn't have to do anything. The drone just caught up and then now it's chasing us again. Wait till we get past this motorhome. So now it's going to rotate. It's going to try anyway. So that's how fast we go. You can see it's a much nicer day today than it was yesterday. And I'm trying to get further away. But I have to watch the uphill side because this is stop for a money shot top of this hill. This little tiny hill. And catch up, buddy. Get that beautiful mountain in the background. Good job. Good job. Peace out, bitch. Alright, let's stop. So if you notice that the car is let's see if we can't get this framed right. Again, we want it to not rotate fast, so we set it to slow. And let's fudge. Go. Put the controller back on its little thing. And I want this shot to... No, I made it. It's panning the wrong way. Let's try that again. Nick, what's that? The other way. Ooh, deep sand. This is good. This drone's trying to get in front of me, but I'm not letting it. I lost it. This is really soft sand. This would be a bad time to stop, probably. But I'm going to turn around. I've been up here. It takes us to the gate. Of a view behind us. Alright. Dust. I'm eating my own dust. So we got to do point of interest. And we're going to have it rotate the other way now. And we're going to go. So now it's going to do the same thing it did, but we're going the other way. Let's close this thing out of the sunlight. When it gets like even with us, it didn't track the car. Alright, it's tracking us now. Might put a little more speed on that spin. Because it can't. got it caught in that spot where it's trying to get in front of us, but it can't. So I'm just going to fly as fast as I can. We're doing 20-something miles per hour, which is not really that fast, but on this road, it's good. Now that I got Blanca centered, hopefully it'll throw up a little dust that you can see from the camera. Big ditch that I said you shouldn't stop in because it's super soft. That was beautiful. So, man, I love this drone. I do love this drone. Go, slow down. We're doing way too fast now. Mark that on this camera also. Let's see. Did we lose you? You coming? Come on, you can do it. You're still coming. You still see us. You're still locked in. I still have a little square around me. Now I'm waiting for it. There's a big ass clip. I don't think I stopped it. Well, maybe I stopped it once. Problem is I wanted the sky and I wanted the mountains, and I tilted the camera and I can't get to the control that controls the spin, how fast it circles around. So we are at the drone's mercy right now. Let's zoom in a little bit. Try that a little bit more because it's going so slow. We could just much prettier day today than yesterday. Go ahead, little one. You can do it. You can do it. God, you're passing us. You're passing us. You're almost past us. But the battery's still ridiculously good. There's so much dust in the car. Oh, oops.